Hi, this is Jason with Dave's Computer Tips with another how-to video for you. This one's on how to share text messages on Android. I'm going to show you an easy way to share your text messages. So if you're talking to someone and there's an important information they sent you that you need to send to someone else, I'm going to show you how you can get that copied over really quick to another person's text messages so you can actually send it over very easily. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. I'm using my Motorola Edge Android phone, but I tried it on a Samsung Galaxy S22. It works pretty much exactly the same way. It might look a little different, but it's all the same steps. So this is what we're gonna do on my Motorola. Last week we covered, what did we cover? We covered how to change a Microsoft account picture. If you missed that one, I'll put the link down below so you can go check it out and learn something new. Every Thursday I come out with something brand new, so keep checking back every Thursday so you get to learn something new every week. All right, well, we're gonna get this started. Before we get going, hit the like on this video. It really helps out our channel. Also, the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos we come out with every week. All right, I guess I talked enough. Let's get into this. So the first thing you wanna do on your phone, you're gonna find that message you wanna send. So you gotta go down to your messenger. Mine's this one down here, this icon. And then when you go into your, I think this is the Google messages. That's what I use. That's what I'm gonna show you it on. So once you're in here, find the message you want to send. So I'm going to go into one with my wife, and I'm going to send this one right here. So the way you do that is you're going to hold your finger down on the message you want to send. So I held it down. It's going to give you all these emoji things. We're not looking for that. You're going to look to the top. Now you would think you'd hit copy. That's not how this works. This is a different process than just hitting copy and paste into the text. This one, you want to hit the three little dots at the top right. We're going to tap on those. When you tap on that, it's going to give you three options from share, forward, view details. I'm choosing share. This is the way I want to show you how to do it. So tap on share, and then you're going to give this little message down at the bottom, all this stuff. You're going to look over here. It tells you what the message you're going to send over at the top of this little thing, this little menu. You're looking down here to the bottom left. You're going to hit messages again, just like you're going to send a text. You're going to tap on that, and it's going to give you all your contacts, which is really cool. But it has little dots next to them, so you can choose the person you want to send this to. I'm just going to send it over to my son, and it's going to put them at the top. And if you want to send it to more than one person, you just tap on the circles. That's the reason I wanted to show you this way. You can actually send it to multiple people in one hit instead of trying to copy and paste it to each person's text. So what you do that when you select the person you want, you just hit the next button down here at the bottom right. You're going to tap on that, and it's going to go to their messages. It's going to put the message right down there, very easy to find, and then you just hit send. It's that easy to move. So if you ever want to have a conversation and you have important information to move from one text to the other, this is the way you do it. It's very simple to do, easy to do on an Android phone. I'm not sure about those iPhones, but I know that this works on Samsung and Motorola. So this is how you share text messages on your Android device. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell. Make sure to check out davescomputertips.com. That's where all our articles are. And also make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.